Yo, you doobie doobie. It's me, Mikey, also known as Humanumikey, also known as that dude who's full of derp. Back again with some more derpiness for you. Yeah, 2 daily derps. I'm just full of derpy. I have found the holy grail of derp. And I gotta give a special thanks, a special shout out to Mr. We Do Stuff Sometimes. Because I got to thinking to myself, maybe you should get on YouTube and look up dialogue or Fallout 4 dialogue audio issue fix, something like that. So I did that, and lo and behold, this guy had the solution. The very first video on the list, and it was just like a minute long. I'm like, it can't be that easy. It can't be that easy. So I'm sitting there scratching my head. I'm like, dude, I almost deleted my character because I was so fed up with this. So I watched the video. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this together, and we're gonna fix this problem. Alright. So again, this is all because of this guy. So go over there, tell him man Mikey sent you, and let's fix our derpiness. Oh yeah. So apparently, all you gotta do, hit the Xbox One button. There you go. Go on over to settings. All settings. I already got it ready for you. Displaying sound. Go over to the audio output. Now, I had it on 5.1 because I wanted to try out surround sound. Apparently, the game don't like that. So, put it on stereo. And that is supposed to solve your issue. Well, let's give it a go. Alright. Okay. Double check. Alright, we're on stereo. Alright. Stereo uncompressed. Here we go. Alright. Let's walk back up to this guy that's backwards. Well, he's not backwards. His thing is, that's my fault. I never screw anything up, man. Never. Alright, so turn the audio up. Alright.
Can we trade a few things?
Well, no, that's another issue.
My old man taught me that duct tape could fix anything.
That's about right.
I don't think he was talking about bullet
Not
holes.
many doctors around these days.
We'll go to...
Should let me take a look at it.
Excuse me.
Looking to buy?
That was another thing I had going on too. By the way, it's like I hit the X button, not the A button, and they were like, "Hey, I want to trade, man." Like, I don't want to trade. I want to buy stuff or sell my stuff. Anyway, as you could tell, she came through a lot more clear.
Let's see what you got.
Hey. I heard the bitch. Yeah.
Hi.
You want to do some trading?
How are things going?
Same
we
old,
go.
same old. What gave you the idea we're friends?
So there's your fix, boys and girls. You just gotta, again, just go settings. And if you have it on 5.1, put it back on stereo. There you go. That's how you fix it. Alright, so if you like the video, give me a like, and give the other video a like. I can't believe it was that simple. So now I can enjoy my game. But I can't now because I gotta help. Dude, are you cutting my hair?
Yes. Just because I want to be in the video.
Not cool. Alright, that deserves a like right there. Alright, till next time, rock on.
Rock on!
I'm gonna cut your hair.